Hello! We're going to a Halloween party. And my costume is this one. Transformer 10 Prime.
I can be high.
Fun fact, did you know Didi is coming to your house tomorrow?
I can be fast.
You are Ninja Turtle, Bunso.
Ninja Turtle.
One question.
Optimus Prime? Is that Optimus Prime? My
Optimus
costume?
Prime.
One question.
Kuya is Optimus Prime.
One question.
Parang lagi ni Kuya. Kuya, you look like Big Draw.
One question, guys. Did you know? Fun fact. Did you know? Didi is coming to clap your cheeks and with baby oil.
Who is
at
Didi? Who is Didi?
It's a guy that claps everyone with baby oil.
What the heck?
It's in the ass.
What the heck is what you?
Game.
Kahit hindi na siya magsuot ng mask.
Wow.
Yan na yun.
Yan na
Kasi
yun.
yung pants niya, hindi yellow-green. Orange and dark green.
Pero gusto niya. Yan. Fabio, come here. Huwag kang siya doon mainitin muna.
Kuya, paano ka ng Optimus Prime na mask?
No.
Tingnan mo si Juno, ang ganda.
Kaya nga, you need to...
Later!
I could eat this later, the whole one.
Okay.
Yes, I forgot to have one. There's big fish.
Water.
Yeah.
Green. No, it's just.
Faster, Junho.
You are late na.
what do you want to be when you grow up?
Game developer.
I'm sorry?
Game developer.
Game developer. Wow. And what games are you into? FPS games, MOBA games, what games? Roblox game?
Any games.
Any games? Oh, this guy must be genius. All right. Okay, Fabio again. You nagdala ka ng red lipstick. And as I've said earlier, sample pa lang, meaning wala pang prize. Oh, thank you very much. Hey. Come here. I'm gonna give you a prize. Okay, I'm gonna get the our prizes. It's in the back. Alright. Okay, dito na natin. Here's your prize. Wow. You're gonna win brand new tablet. Okay, come here. Okay, ano gusto mo sabihin dahil binigyan namin ko ng prize? What do you wanna say?
Thank you.
And happy
Halloween.
Happy Halloween! Thank you very much, Fabio. Okay, let us all clap our hands for Fabio.
AK-47.
Okay. We got the 1,000 pesos. Alright, we got Angelo, my friend, right? Michelangelo. Ayan. We got Eminence. Ayan. Okay, first, let me ask your name first. Okay, what's your name? Ayan. And what's your name?
Thank you.
Ayan.
Julian.
Elian. Gabriel. NC? Hamza. Okay. Ayan, nagdala po ba siya ng 1,000? Baka po kasi makabono ako. We have 6,000 here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Baby.
Okay, stand right here. Okay, let me ask you. What's your name? Also, here's your prize, princess. Here's your prize, Woody. Oh, wait. Okay, wala mo nang makuupo. Alright. Woody, come here in front. We're gonna take a peek first. Before... Thank you very much. Alright, guys. Now that you've chosen the prizes, 1,000 pesos sa akin. Check lang. Okay, here's your prize. Thank you very much. Wow, ganito kami kagalanti dito. Cash prize din mapapanalunan nyo, guys. Diba? Here's your 1,000 pesos. Here's your 1,000 pesos. Alright. Thank you very much. Thank you for joining. Alright, sa ato. You have to make it quick. You have to do it quick. Come on. Yan. And once you acquire the garter, you have to pass it to your teammate. Yan, sinunod. Okay. Pass it to your teammate. Pass it. Baby. Okay, bunso. Come on. Pass it to your teammate. Come on.
Baby, get to the boy.
Once you're done wearing it, and get set! Okay, wala pa. Get set pa. So, wala na. Okay, raise the garter. Okay, wait. Raise the garter. Okay, we're not yet, okay, ready? Get set and go! Once you're done, Where's the other kid? Who's the other Ninja Turtle? Is it you?
Sasali ka daw.
Ito ba?
Ako Ninja Turtle.
Sasali ka daw.
He's not Ninja Turtle daw. Ayan. Dalawa daw. Okay.
Wala ka daw.
Sama ka na daw. Ayan yun. You're the ninja, Ninja Kawasaki. Sabihin na lang, just kidding.
Don't forget to smile.
Alright. Ayan.
Wow!
Oh bro, stay here na. Ayan. Siguro sa side. Thank you very much. And for our next winners! Ito, nakikita ko to. Kayo na ko pa napapansin. Napaka-cute nila. Okay, ang ating next winner ay sila M&M's! Alright! M&M's! Alright, congratulations M&M's! Okay, let us put
Thank you.